In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a copy of responses to respondents in Google Forms using the built-in settings. This is perfect when you want people filling out your form to receive a confirmation email with everything they submitted. It adds transparency, reduces back and forth, and gives respondents a handy record they can reference later. Start by opening your Google form. Make sure you're working in the form you want to update and that you're signed in to the correct Google account. Once the form is open, look across the top for the tabs labeled Questions, Responses, and Settings. Click the Settings tab. This is where all the form-wide controls live, from presentation and defaults to how responses are handled. Inside Settings, select the Responses section. This area controls what information you collect from respondents and how submissions are managed. To enable email receipts, first turn on Collect Email Addresses. This is essential because Google Forms needs an email address in order to send a receipt. When you enable this, Forms adds an email field to your form automatically, so you don't have to create one yourself. Depending on your organization's policies, you might see options to restrict to certain domains or verify addresses, but the key is that Collect Email Addresses is on. Next, toggle on. Send responders a copy of their response. This is the feature that delivers the confirmation email. Right below that, choose how you want it to behave. Always or when requested. If you choose always, every respondent who submits the form will automatically receive a copy of their answers. This is best when you want consistent confirmations without any extra action from the respondent. If you choose when requested, respondents will see an option at the end of the form to receive a copy. They can check that box if they want the email. This is useful if you prefer to make it optional and avoid sending emails to those who don't need them. There's no separate save button here. Your settings are applied immediately. From now on, new submissions will follow the rule you selected. It's a good idea to let your audience know that they'll receive a confirmation email and to check their spam or promotions folder if they don't see it right away. Also remember that these settings only affect responses submitted after you turn them on. And that's it. Now respondents will automatically receive a copy of their responses via email. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.